On guys, 24/7 Tech here, and this is the Fitbit Ace. It's a smartwatch, well, technically a fitness tracker for the kids, and today I have my hands on it and I'm going to be talking to you guys about the pros, cons, and my final verdict about it.
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
Said in the clip before, guys, take 1 second out of this video to subscribe down below. It helps me, and every subscriber does make a difference, even if you think or you don't think that it does.
Let's talk about the pros of this device. So as you can see right here, just the way, the angle that it's built, it's such a nice device. This silicone band that it comes with have these nice ridges on them, as you can see right here. They feel really good and they give a nice comforting feeling when you wear it. And another thing that I enjoy is the watch faces. They're really nice. And another thing is that it's not just a normal display. You have to whack it hard for it to actually come. And that's a pretty good thing, because there's a lot of accidental taps on my Fitbit Versa that I also have, and I'm happy that this doesn't also have the same problem. Build quality also on this device is A+. It comes with this nice blue, this color is blue and it's very nice. The silicone band is really premium feeling and I love the ridges. It gives a nice touch to this. It has some nice stainless steel hookers, and it has some nice Fitbit branding on it, just to show everyone that it's a Fitbit. But I like the minimalist design over here. There's nothing too extra. It doesn't have to be that way, especially for kids. It should be a bit subtle. When they're in school, it should just be there. And the back also, it's really easy for them to tell where the magnetic charging is. It's just the 3 holes. There's nothing else except for some information in the back. The problem that I have is that the display, it's actually pretty small. You see the text is in this little area, right? Well, that's all there actually is. As you can see, Fitbit does it very cleverly to hide this, but the display is pretty small, and I mean, the only thing you can really see in the front watch face is the time and the date. Another thing is, this Fitbit is very, very small. I put it on my wrist and I couldn't wear it that great. But it barely fits, so unless you're a kid, do not buy this device. It does not fit. And once you have this, unless you check the app, there's nothing much to check on your Fitbit, as you can see right here. So you have the date and the time, and then you have your steps and how long you've been active in the day. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else that you can check, and that's a bit disappointing considering that, I mean, you're paying some top dollar. You should probably get more information over here. But since I said the display is very tiny, which is probably why they couldn't really fit that much. Overall, my impressions on this Fitbit are pretty well. It's just that the display is a bit small and the content that you get is also not that great. But overall, this Fitbit is not bad, and my verdict is that if you can find a pretty good deal, do not pay the full $100 for it. It's not worth it. But if you can find it anywhere in the range of maybe 40 to 75 bucks, I'd say go for it. This is a great wearable, and a Fitbit is always something kids have been asking for, and I love that Fitbit has delivered us with one especially for them. Like I said, overall, this is a great fitness tracker, but the two main things are the display and how much content you actually get on this. But aside from that, if you can get over that and find a pretty good deal, I'd say in 40 to 75 bucks, as I said before, I'd say it's a great fitness tracker and it's a great Christmas present for your kids, or if they're really asking for one, I think this is the one to get for most people. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. I hope we can reach 500 by the end of this year. And I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.